Experiencing no internet on your T-Mobile Alcatel Link Zone T9? Let's pinpoint the cause. The primary suspects are your APN, access point name, DNS, domain name system, and cellular signal strength. First, check your signal. The T9's LED indicator shows signal levels. Weak signal, may 100 dBm, can cause disconnections, especially with 5G. Relocate to an open area to improve reception. If signal is strong, the issue might be APN or DNS. A common problem, especially after updates, is incorrect APN settings. T-Mobile's default APN should be fast.tmobile.com. Finally, DNS translates web addresses. If your signal and APN are correct, DNS issues might be the culprit, particularly in high-traffic areas. We'll cover how to fix each of these in the next section. Now, let's troubleshoot. For APN, access your T9 settings via its web interface, usually 192.168.1.1 or the T-Mobile app, and ensure the APN is set to fast.tmobile.com. If it's different, manually correct it. For DNS, change the DNS settings on the device connected to the hotspot, such as your laptop or phone, to use Google's public DNS 8.8.8 and 8.4.4 or Cloudflare's 1.11.1. This bypasses potential T-Mobile DNS server congestion. If signal is weak despite relocation, consider a T-Mobile approved signal booster. Remember to restart your hotspot after making these changes. For persistent issues, T-Mobile's live chat support or a firmware update checked via the web interface may offer further solutions.